Christopher Laurie Kit Malthouse is a British politician and businessman serving as Chancellor of the Duchy of Lancaster since 2022. A member of the Conservative Party, he previously served as Minister of State for Crime and Policing at the Home Office and the Ministry of Justice from 2020 to 2022. He was the Minister for Crime, Policing and the Fire Service from 2019 to 2020. He has served as Member of Parliament for North West Hampshire since 2015. Malthouse served on the Westminster City Council from 1998 to 2006 and was Deputy Council Leader from 2004 to 2006. He served as a Conservative member of the London Assembly for West Central from 2008 to 2016. He represented the City of Westminster, the London Borough of Hammersmith and Fulham, and the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea. He served under then Mayor of London Boris Johnson as Deputy Mayor for Policing from 2008 to 2012 and Deputy Mayor for Business and Enterprise from 2012 to 2015. Malthouse was elected as Member of Parliament for North West Hampshire at the 2015 general election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.